Hi, this is Paul Bradby. I wanted to go through the GameStop, and I want to use the xBratAlgo as an example here. Now, this is going to blow your socks off. I have made hundreds of videos on xBratAlgo discussing how to get in and how to manage the trades with our EMA Cloud. This is the think or swim version. I want to go back in time on GameStop to sort of last year, around about August, the summer last year, and I see there's 5 and 6 star buys here. So, for me, you've got to be in it to win it. I did not trade this. I was still developing the xBratAlgo at that stage. But this just goes to show my mantra that I have the back on my t-shirt. You've got to be in it to win it. So this is a bit of fun, but I'm just going to pull a scenario out here because these things could happen again in the future because of this social media dominance, if you like, and retail traders really pulling together to make things move. So from a technical standpoint of view, this is a good trading setup. We've gone flat for quite a while on GameStop, GME. We have our 5 and 6 star buys here. They're above our 55 and 89 day moving average. So we use the daily time frame. On stocks, I'm pretty much 4-hour daily time frame type of guy. And on all of the videos I've made with the xBrat over the last few months or so, I use these EMA clouds to first confirm entry, but then to manage the trades. So when the price action closes below the EMA cloud, in this case on a daily time frame, the grey is the 55 and the pink is the 89. Aggressive would be 55, conservative would be 89. Standard setup that I've done in all of these videos, the stop loss is below the recent pivot before the signals, and then the entries above the 5 or the 6 star. For me, I only go 6 star because I want the highest probability trade. So the entry is at $4.91, and at this stage it would be a punt. But again, if you only risked $1,000 on this trade, so if you got taken in here at $4.91 or just over $5, for example, on this 5 and 6 star trade, you would just use the EMA cloud to manage the trade, like I've said on all of these videos. Okay, so $1,000 risk. So if it comes back against you, you lose $1,000, nothing lost. Now let's play this forward in time. Again, remember the EMA cloud, which I've done on hundreds of videos now, if it drops below and closes below, you get out the trade. Okay, now this is really serious now, so I'm going to have to zoom out a lot a bit. Remember our initial entry, the EMA cloud has not been broken yet. Okay, and because of this parabolic move, we are now at 30,000% profit times risk. Okay, so $1,000 risked on that EMA cloud, the xBratAlgo, back in the summer of last year, and managing the trade with the EMA cloud, which I've suggested all this time, you'd have made $30 million. Okay, now I'm not saying these trades are ever going to come again, and this is just for fun, but hey, you've got to be in it to win it. And if this happens again in the future and you're getting in these cheap stocks using the xBratAlgo, so that's go back in time again, right back to that entry. Okay, we've got to zoom out a lot here, and we're just following the same rules. That mantra, you've got to be in it to win it, is eventually going to give you some really good wins, and we do get some good wins. Nothing like this, but again, that entry at $5, and now where you are now risking $1,000 on this trade to win $30 million is just out of this world. It just doesn't make sense, but it happened. And again, you can look back on all of these videos. Close below the EMA Cloud, get out the trade. It has never closed below the 55-day moving average EMA Cloud that we've got. And now I have to zoom right out because we are at 30,000% profit times risk. Risk 1,000, $30 million winning trade there, just, or more really. Just absolutely crazy. I just thought I'd make this video bit of fun. This xBratAlgo does pick up moves. It doesn't pick out $30 million moves, but just keeping it simple. Entry strategies, trade management with the EMA Cloud. Who knows? You've got to be in it to win it.